A capacitor of capacity C is charged to a steady potential V and connected to a series with an open key and a resistor R. At time t is equal to 0, the key is closed. If I is the current at time t, a plot of I against t is as shown, log I against t is as shown in the figure. Okay. So in the graph later on, one of the parameter, that is V, R or C, is changed, keeping the other two constant, and the graph 2 is recorded. Then okay, what is reduced or what is increased over here? First of all, if I consider, let me draw this circuit diagram. There is a capacitor connected to a resistor in series, and there is a key which is just switched on at time t is equal to 0. So this is C, this is R. So basically the capacitor is getting charged, and the charge on the capacitor will follow the law Q is equal to Q naught, that is the maximum current, that is the maximum charge on the capacitor, 1 minus e raised to minus t divided by RC. Okay, 1 minus e raised to minus t divided by RC. Okay. If I want to find out the current, the current over here will be equal to dq divided by dt. Okay, that is the current, the variation of the current as per the time will be equal to, I have to differentiate this part, so it will be equal to Q naught into, it will be equal to, the differentiation of 1 is 0, minus e raised to minus t divided by RC into minus 1 by RC. Okay, this will be the total current in the circuit. Okay, this will be the total current in the circuit over here. Okay, so in this case what will happen is I will be equal to, okay, so I will be equal to Q naught, this is the maximum current. Okay, this is the maximum current that can be developed. Okay, that is I is equal to I naught into e raised to minus t divided by RC. Okay, negative and negative sign over here will get cancelled out. Okay, negative and negative sign over here will get cancelled out. So this will be the current over here. Okay, this will be the current. Okay, while where Q naught by RC is the maximum current that can flow through the circuit. Okay, so over here log I, the graph of log I is developed. Okay, so I can say that if I take logarithm on both the sides, okay, it will be equal to log I naught plus log e raised to minus t divided by RC. Okay, e raised to minus t divided by RC. So log I will be equal to, this is a natural logarithm. Okay, it will be equal to log I naught, which will be a constant value. Okay, I will substitute this later, plus, or it will, I can write this as log and log will get cancelled out. Okay, it will be equal to minus t divided by RC. Okay, minus t divided by RC. So log I is the parameter on the y axis. Okay, so let me write this as y is certain constant. Okay, is certain constant, minus the t is the parameter on the x axis, so this is equal to x, and 1 by RC, let it be another, let this be constant C1, let this be constant over here, or let this be minus 1 by RC. Okay, I will not substitute it as constant. Okay, I will substitute it as 1 by RC. Okay, minus 1 by RC. Okay, so we have to find out. Okay, so initially we will get a graph somewhat like this. Okay, so we have to find out, the various terms over here. Okay, that is that is we have to find out what is the value of R and C. Okay, what will happen if the R and C is increased or decreased. Okay, so first of all I can take, okay, and if I multiply I naught by if I multiply over here I naught over here by RC. Okay, the I naught can again be written as, the I naught over here will remain same, the maximum current will remain same over here, it will be equal to 1 by RC into x. Okay, so what will happen, will the, now the, if you see over here, the value of the slope, okay, if I extend this part, okay, this is the slope. Okay, this is the slope which is theta 1, and this is the slope which is theta 2. Okay, these are the slopes of the two slopes of the graph. So what will happen to the slopes? Okay, so if I compare it with the standard equation, y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, y is equal to mx plus c, where c is the constant. Okay, so if I compare the graph over here, the slope over here will be equal to, if I only take the magnitude of the slope, it will be equal to 1 by RC. Okay, I can say that slope at theta 1 is greater than theta 2. Okay, theta 1 is greater than theta 2, that is this slope. Okay, if I calculate theta 1, theta 2, okay, the, in terms of magnitude it will be greater than theta 2. So slope at 1 should be greater than the slope at 2. Okay, slope at 1 should be greater than the slope at 2. Okay, So how does the slope increase? Okay, there are two possible methods in which the slope will increase. Okay, there are two possible methods in which the slope will increase. The first method over here is if I increase the capacitance. Okay, if I increase the capacitance, then suppose the original capacitance is equal to C1, then M1 will be equal to 1 divided by RC1, and M2 over here will be equal to 1 by RC2. Okay, suppose I say that the resistance remains constant over here. Okay, the resistance remains constant. Okay, and the rest two terms remain same, that is the voltage remains same. Okay, that is the voltage remains same. Okay, so if the voltage remains same, okay, so if the voltage over here remains same, or if the voltage over here remains same, voltage over here will be equal to, after certain point it will be equal to I into R. Okay, we will get certain graph. Okay, so over here voltage will be equal to I into that, there is a current over here into certain value. Okay, so if over here if the voltage remains same, okay, and I increase the capacitance, okay, then the slope will decrease. Okay, so the first method is by increasing the capacitance. Okay, the first method over here is by increasing the capacitance, so option number B is correct. The second option if I see is by if I increase the resistance, then also the slope should increase. Okay, but we can clearly see that the voltage over here remains same. Okay, so if the resistance increases, the voltage in term over here should increase. Okay, or if I increase the resistance over here, the current in the path should decrease. Okay, so that is not a possibility, so only correct answer over here will be equal to option number B.